Hello viewers, in this video tutorial I'll be showing you how you can access the study material which has been shared with you on Classroom.live. So once you log in using your login IDs and OTPs on the mobile phone application, this is the first screen which appears to you. Furthermore, at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see 4 tabs, out of which when you click on this study material tab, you will be directed to the repository of the content which has been shared with you. You can either use these filters to sort out the presentations on the basis of the name of the subject and the unit name, or you can just type in the name of the presentation that you want to study from. So once I do that, I'll be given this presentation. When I tap on it and when I click on this play button on the top right corner, I can just access the presentation, and using these arrow buttons I can navigate across. So if I have this image, I can even zoom in and zoom out. And if I have some YouTube video which has been imported into the lecture, I can just tap on the play button and the video gets played on its own.
Let's find out